Hey everybody, what's up? It's TJ. You guys, today all I'm doing is taking logs of sausage and mixing it together, and I'm going to freeze it. Okay, I was going to make biscuits and cook them up and make a bunch of sausage and cook those, and freeze them all together so you just pop them in the microwave. But I get to really thinking about that, and I'm a little bit worried about doing it, because yeah. But doing it the way I'm going to do it is the safe way to do it for me, okay? But I wanted to show you guys this first. This is something I'm going to be working on a little bit at a time. You see, this is my recipe thing. And I have in here just tons and tons and tons of recipes. And they're all recipes that I really like, okay? And I'm going to organize it, or try to. So when I get some of it done, I will show you guys how I'm doing it. That way, if something bad were to happen, we have SHTF, like for real. It's there. I have it. You know what I mean? It's not on my phone. It's not on YouTube. It's not on wherever. It's in my hands. So, and I just want to get it organized and show you guys later how I'm doing it. But I'm going to be using these protectors for each one of them. I'm going to hand write every one of them out, because printing them is just way too costly. But I have to go pick up some more of these because I have way more recipes than that. So that's one of my projects I'm going to be working on. But I have all my homemade recipes in here, my canning recipes, the ones that I've plucked out of different, from wherever that I really like. So yeah. But anyway, all I'm doing, I'm going to bring this up. Y'all, I got to let my cat in. He's going to drive me crazy if I don't. Look at him sitting here waiting on me. You ain't going out there, Missy. Come on, Georgie. No. It's a trick. Him and one of my females, the only ones that can go outside because they're fixed. The other ones are not fixed. I'm trying to find homes for them. The only other one that's going to get fixed is Zoe, that I'm going to pay for. And I have to wait on that because, But anyway, so in this bag, this is how I freeze food in my freezer. I have bags, and I write on the handles what it is. And I keep them in my deep freezer like that so that I can find what I'm looking for. I know some of you guys saw my video of that before, but some people haven't, so I just thought I'd mention that. So what I'm going to do is I have mostly Laura Lynn here, mild. That's the kind, this and your better brands is the kinds I like. But I have one of these, which I do not like. It's not the taste, it's the feel of it in my mouth. It just does not feel right to me. So, I don't know what they do different with their sausage, but it's different. So, I'm going to take all of them. Look, I got a Tennessee Pride. That's Ingles. And Tennessee Pride. So, I've got 2 Ingles, 2 Tennessee Prides, and 1 Carolina Pride. I'm going to mix them all together so I get just one smooth flavor or taste or feel or whatever. You guys, there's a difference, okay? And I'm going to flatten them out and get them ready to be cooked so we can just take them out and throw them in the pan. There's no process there, it'd be done. I would can them, but I am scared to do that. I have not tried that yet. And when I have extra money, to do that with, to just try it with, then I'll do it. But I don't have that extra money right now. And I don't want to take the chance of ruining, wasting food. I just cannot financially take that chance. Okay. I'll put some gloves on today. Shoot. I normally use these for work, but I'm going to use them for here. These are some good gloves, y'all. They got grips on them. See those grips? They're more expensive, but these were given to me. Usually I buy the other ones that are way less expensive. But these, like I said, these were given to me. Okay. So I'm going to cut these open. I'm using scissors, of course. Y'all, I'm only wearing, my hands are clean. I'm wearing these because I don't like the feel of all that stuff on here. It takes forever to wash it off. Okay? I smell of everything just to make sure. Mm-hmm. Oh my gosh, really? Well, I'm having a time with this. I'm going to show y'all the difference in that. Let me show it to you now. See? That's the Carolina Pride that I don't like. That is Tennessee Pride. You see the difference? And it feels different in your mouth after it's cooked and you're trying to eat it. To me, I can feel the difference. It looks like it's over-processed. Whether it is or not, I don't know. I don't even know if there is such a thing, but it just doesn't feel right to me. See, even Ingles looks like the Tennessee Pride. That other stuff, no. But I want to show y'all, I do this a little different than just flatten them out, Come on. Smell of it. I knew a girl that used to smell of everything, even after it was cooked. Every bite, she would smell her food. And I used to make fun of her because of it, but I do it when I'm doing this, which to me makes more sense, but it always reminds me of me making fun of her for that. But you never know when you're going to get a hold of something bad. But she didn't do it because she thought that it might be bad, She did it out of habit. She'd smell of everything. Every bite. So I'm just going to mix this in. Hide that one roll, kind of blend it in so I can get consistency. Now, I'm not going to let it go to waste. Because, y'all, I spent money on that. Gosh. All right. Well, I'm trying to get this off. Oh, no, don't do that. Okay. The hamburger presses. I do not use these for hamburgers. They're too small for hamburgers, okay? If you do hamburger meat in this, you're going to end up with a burger that big around. Okay? Sausage is a good one to use it for. And what I do is just put some wax paper down. Get a clean glove. I don't care how many you use. I'm just going to grab a spat of it. And I like them thin because they're going to cook, you know, up and they always try to cook up into a ball. So you have to keep them flattened, you know. You guys can't even see that. On the bottom, I put a piece of wax paper, and on top of it, put a piece of wax paper, and I'm just going to press it down into a shape. And that's what you end up with. Okay. And I have my pans already lined with this stuff. So I'll lay them out on here to where they're really close together, but not touching. And I'm going to do every single one of them like that. All my pans, I have 4 pans out. And then I'm going to put them in the freezer and let them freeze solid, which will take, you know, at least a couple of hours. And then I take them out and just put them in a bag. That's the extent of that. So when I'm ready to cook them, I just take them out and throw them in the pan. And I'll maybe put a little bit of vegetable oil down in the bottom of my pan to keep them from sticking right away. And I always cook my sausage no more than medium heat. And I cook it with a lid because I don't like hard sausage. You know, burnt sausage. So I cook it no higher than medium, and I cook it slow. Yeah, so that you guys know, it turns out way better. You know, I don't like hard burnt sausage. So yeah, I'm gonna get this stuff done, and then I'm gonna start working on my recipe book, and I'll talk to you guys later. Y'all have an awesome day. Bye-bye.